This is Monday the 12th of January 2026. We're in the Irish Council Kildare. Tanya is with Palvicini.
Behind me is a list of people now. The half brother. People gone? Are the people gone?
Huh? No.
People gone?
No.
See when here.
I think they're working with Tanya. They could be there for a while.
Are the workers?
They're workers, I think, yeah. Hi, Palvicini, how's it going? Hello.
Coming over? It's people now. Only getting half. I'm only getting this people now bath here, Lynn.
Yeah.
I'm not getting much action here.
Yeah.
I think he's asleep. He was snorting there a minute ago. They're getting more action coming together. This staff?
Huh?
Picking up the staff, picking up the stallions. I can hear gates up there. Are they open?
What are they doing? I have no idea what they're doing, Tanya.
Do you want to see if I can find it? I saw a blaze. Would he be in stables? I saw a blaze.
Could be back there somewhere, I'm not sure.
And the Lucky Vega. Will it be Lucky Vega video? So. I'm catching fences here.
You're going to get 20 minutes left in this now.
Huh?
You have 20 minutes left in your camcorder.
Have I?
Yeah.
Oh. I'll have plenty of more space and like.
There's more over there, horses over there, I can see them.
Okay, go to maybe it's today for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, yeah.
Go. You got me early. Here's a list of pins now. Sorry. Oh yeah, it's keep away. You wake up me. Hello. Hello. You wake up me. Oh, he's kind of away. I'm on my way to this is here part of the cottage now. I'm going to see if I can find a land of Corrado and I'm actually sure I was on a place to lay down to what part of the but it was the
I can see them there. I thought I seen them anyway. Yeah. Don't know who it is. Could be, I'm not sure.
Sorry, Kodiak was his. I wasn't Cody Bear like I thought.
Yeah.
I thought it was Cody Bear. It was It's actually Kodiak is the Sarah called Cody Bear. Cody Bear is it falls to the filly with the form nose. So I got those two names confused, mixed up. They sound very similar. Cody Bear, Cody Bear and Kodiak. They sound very similar. The Cody Bear and Kodiak, they sound very similar, don't they?
Yeah, yeah. Look at this, 38% winners to runners, 2025 yearlings average 3 times his stud fee. So he's doing well.
These are all last year, but this is last year, look, 2025. We don't have one for 2026 yet. These are all old posters, aren't they?
That's a new poster.
What? Not last year, 2025.
Where?
The bottom.
No. 2025 yearlings average 3 times the stud fee. In other words, the ones that were born in 2025.
I know, but they don't have 2026 on it though.
The ones that are a young year in 2026 average 3 times the stud fee.
Another horse one is the horse, which is the racing cars. This one is the racing car.
Tanya, pause video?
What?
Pause video?
What?
Because we're almost there now.
Pause on camcorder.
Huh?
Pause on camcorder, yeah.
Yeah.